Wanna put my hands all over your body. Wanna put my hands all over your body.
What's up, guys? So today I'm taking you to another city, not too far, still in the east, and it's Sainte-Suzanne. So let's go. Wow, I look so white in this. Why am I taking you there? It's because we have a waterfall there and it's not very far. You don't need to drive a long time. A few days ago it was raining a lot. Steve, do you like rain?
Not really. I don't know.
I don't like it.
It's good for sleeping.
Yeah, so good night to you. Our waterfalls are very beautiful whenever it rains. I mean, not when it rains, but like the next day. I think it's a good reason for us to go and watch a little bit. I'm not ready to swim or anything. I don't want. I just want to take you there so that you can see and go there by yourself. So if you guys come with the bus, this is the bus stop. And it's called Hôtel de Ville. Yes, we just arrived. Look at this. I don't know if I will need my bag. Probably not. But yes, I need my bag. We are in the Niagara Falls of Reunion Island. I do not recommend to swim right now because the water is pretty dirty. It's very dirty because it was raining this morning, yesterday, and the days before. Now, let's go.
Wanna put my hands all over your body. Wanna put my hands all over your body. You only come and go when you feel like it. Been out here for a while, but you won't commit. This inconsistent love is messing with my head. And it just ain't fair. You know I can't fight it. Wanna put my hands all over your body.
Here in front of the waterfall, it's pretty windy. It's very windy. I think it's because it's going to rain one more time, but we're still enjoying. Still good. So impressive. I don't always come here, but it's always impressive. It's always different. And here we have some tourists as well behind me. So yeah, that's it. I mean, that's it. Like that's all we see. You know, we see the waterfall. It's beautiful. People always think that when you live on an island, all you do is like go on the beach, the beach, the beach. No, we don't always go to the beach. I cannot go to the beach all the time. It takes me about an hour. So if I don't want to drive for an hour, I just come here, for example, and I still have water. I can still swim. And yeah, we're just going to leave now. That was the Niagara Falls of Sainte-Suzanne. This is my dad. C'est la première fois pour vous ici?
Oui,
c'est la...
oui, ben nous,
vous êtes en vacances
et on part demain matin.
Ah, vous partez demain matin?
Ouais, on a fait tout le tour de l'île en long, en large, en travers.
D'accord.
C'est magnifique. Hein.
Ça c'est bien, ouais. Et puis vous finissez avec Niagara, donc
oui,
c'est
voilà,
bien.
on finit avec Niagara, après on va faire un petit tour à Sainte-Suzanne. Et elle commence à ouvrir son gîte, alors au cœur de l'île. C'est magnifique. Ah oui.
D'accord.
Là, il faut y aller.
Je vais filmer un peu comme ça, on va retenir un peu.
Au cœur de l'île.
Oui.
Il faut y aller parce qu'elle vient d'ouvrir son gîte et elle est très gentille. Les repas, les déjeuners du matin sont très bien. Bons. Ouais. Et alors le panoramique le soir, on est resté pendant au moins 2 heures.
C'est vrai?
Ouais, tellement. Non mais c'est beau parce que vous avez le piton des neiges.
Oui.
Là, vous avez tout, de la montagne. On a une vue plongeante sur la montagne et sur la mer au loin. D'accord. Donc c'est génial. Alors c'est une maison que son mari a tout construit lui-même.
Il y a combien de chambres?
4 chambres parce que c'est loué à la chambre. Il y a une grande pièce commune.
C'est bien quoi.
Pour les randonneurs,
oui.
Pour les gens comme moi, c'est parfait parce que des fois on a été. Attendez, on a.
Ça vous dérange pas si je filme un petit peu?
Non, ça me dérange pas.
Ok, je vous écoute.
Un gîte, après on est descendu à Tampon, on a fait tout ce qu'il y a autour de Tampon, le volcan, la route des laves. Oui. On a fait l'horloge hydraulique. C'est un belvédère. 15 jours.
15 jours, donc pour 15 jours, Vous avez fait la
On peut
totale
faire
quand
plein
même.
de choses. On a
15
traversé
jours.
l'île.
15 days is enough for you to enjoy the island.
Ouais, mais on a fait la forêt tropicale.
Oui.
On a été voir la vanille, on a été voir le rhum. D'ailleurs,
Ah oui, bah oui.
la vanille, c'est vraiment très très bien. On a fait tellement de choses.
Et la meilleure plage pour vous, c'est où?
Saint-Gilles.
Saint-Gilles.
Les poissons, la plongée.
Voilà,
Voilà, plein de petits poissons de toutes les couleurs. Et puis c'est sécurisé, il y a la barrière de corail.
Oui, parce
on
que...
y va, on a
on précise ça quand même parce qu'ils ont tous peur de venir à la Réunion avec les requins.
Non,
mais non.
Les requins, non.
Pour vous là, un petit résumé de vos vacances.
Super génial.
Super génial, super génial.
Super génial. Et puis complètement dépaysant, ça nous vide la tête, on peut faire
Et
rien.
vous venez d'où
De France, de Bretagne.
De Bretagne. Ah,
Voilà.
de Bretagne, ok, coucou la Bretagne. Ok, super, merci beaucoup.
Merci.
Au revoir. Right. After visiting the waterfall, what can you do? Not far from the waterfall, you can come here to the lighthouse of Belair. There it is. This is the first time for me to come here. So yeah, and it's not far from my house.
Built in 1845, the Belair Lighthouse on the east coast of the island remains Saint-Suzanne fixture in the cultural and maritime heritage of Reunion. The lighthouse now houses temporary exhibitions of local artists and animations organized by the North Intercommunal Tourist Office. This lighthouse is the first and last light of Reunion.
So let me tell you, I never actually thought about coming here, and it's good. I'm quite happy. Thank you. It's thanks to you guys, because you are making me doing all these things. Like I said, this is the lighthouse of Belair in Saint-Suzanne, like 5 minutes from the waterfall that we saw. I was only expecting to see the waterfall, but then that's the thing, you know, every day is so different. You come and do something and then you see, oh, let's go there, oh, let's go there, or whatever. So yeah, they are closing right now. I guess they close around 12. I don't know what time it is. It's like 12:28. Now it's time to leave. Share this video around you. Subscribe on this channel. That will mean the world to me. Let's go. Ah, Steve is here today. Hello, Steve.
Hello.
Let's see exactly where we've been today. This is the map. Okay. All right. Where do we live, Steve? We live in Saint-André. And we went to the Niagara Falls.
Ici.
Here, can you remove your finger? Yes, yes, yes. From Saint-André to Saint-Suzanne, it's only about 10 minutes. But if you're from the airport, where's the airport, Steve? The airport here. And if you go to Saint-Suzanne, you just need to go east and you arrive in Saint-Suzanne in about 10 minutes as well. So this is a good thing, right? Also, we have a factory called Bois Rouge. Yes. Do you like Steve's fingers?
Moi j'aime pas trop. I don't really like my fingers.
All right, so yeah, this is the map. This is La Réunion. We don't really know where we're going to go next, but it's fine. Steve is going to find out. So if you guys want to find this map, do they have a website? Yes, they have a website. www. I don't like my fingers as well.
Celui-là il est mieux.
Oui, voilà. You have a website here called explorelareunion.com. So yes, this is our map, and guys, you're welcome to La Réunion, and welcome to Saint-Suzanne and Saint-André, and welcome to join me for the next video. Goodbye.